Hey there! Struggling with your Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro tablet screen being stuck and unresponsive? Don't worry. You've stumbled upon the right guide on how to fix a frozen screen on Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro tablet. We know how frustrating it can be when your child's tablet suddenly decides to freeze, interrupting their favorite game or learning app. But fear not, because this handy guide will walk you through practical steps to resolve this pesky problem. Step 1. Perform a soft reset. First things first, try performing a soft reset. This step is similar to rebooting your computer and can resolve many minor glitches. Press and hold it for about 20 seconds until the device restarts. This simple action can often unfreeze your screen. Wait and observe. Once the device restarts, give it a minute to fully load before checking if the touchscreen is responsive. Step 2. Charge your tablet. Sometimes a frozen screen might be due to a drained or low battery. Here's how to make sure power isn't the issue. Connect to a charger. Use the original Amazon Fire charger for optimal charging. Plug your tablet into a power outlet. Wait for the battery to charge. Allow the tablet to charge for at least 30 minutes, and during this time, avoid trying to turn it on or touch the screen. Step 3. Clear cache partition. Clearing the cache partition helps eliminate any corrupted caches that might be causing the problem. Enter recovery mode. Turn off your tablet completely. Next, press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously until the Amazon logo appears. Navigate the recovery menu. Using the volume buttons to navigate and the power button to select, choose Wipe Cache Partition. Confirm and reboot. Confirm the selection, wait for the process to complete, and then select Reboot System Now. Step 4. Check for software updates. Outdated software could also lead to performance issues, including freezes. Connect to Wi-Fi. Ensure your tablet is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings. Open the Settings menu from your home screen and tap on Device Options. Select System Updates. Tap on System Updates and check if any updates are available. If so, follow the on-screen instructions to update your tablet. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If none of the above steps work, a factory reset can restore your tablet to its original state. Note that this will erase all data, so it's crucial to back up important information first. Back up your data. Connect your tablet to a computer and transfer essential files. Go to Settings. Navigate to Settings, Device Options, Reset to Factory Defaults. Confirm Reset. Follow the prompts to complete the factory reset. And there you have it. These steps offer practical ways to address a frozen screen on your Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro tablet. Remember to start with the simple solutions like a soft reset or charging your device, and escalate to more involved steps like clearing the cache or a factory reset if needed. By following this guide on how to fix a frozen screen on Amazon Fire HD 10 Kids Pro tablet, you'll have your child's tablet back in working order in no time. Before you know it, they'll be back to exploring educational apps and games. Remember to keep your tablet updated and maintain good battery health to prevent similar issues in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and happy troubleshooting.